Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 1Password privacy audit on your iOS devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable the 1Password privacy audit on your iOS device, tap on the 1Password app to open it. Enter your master password to access your vault. Once inside, locate the menu icon, usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal more options. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section. Tap on Security to access additional options. Within the Security menu, locate the Privacy Audit feature. Toggle on the switch next to Privacy Audit to enable the feature. You may receive a prompt to review your passwords for security risks. Follow the on-screen instructions to conduct your privacy audit. The audit will check for weak, reused, or compromised passwords. Once the audit is complete, review the results carefully. Take actions as necessary based on the findings. Remember to keep your 1Password app updated for the best security features. That's it, you have successfully enabled the 1Password privacy audit on your iOS devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.